On July 14, 2024, President Emerson Mnangagwa made a stunning claim about the Gukurahundi massacres, a dark period between 1983 and 1987, where an estimated 20,000 people, mostly from the Ndebele community, lost their lives. Mnangagwa pointed fingers at Zimbabwe's former colonial rulers, accusing them of creating divisions between tribes to incite conflict post-independence. This statement was made during the launch of the Gukurahundi Community Engagement Outreach Program in Bulawayo, an initiative aimed at addressing the suffering of the victims and their families. He stressed the need for unity among Zimbabweans to counteract what he sees as ongoing attempts to divide the nation. Mnangagwa accused various groups, political parties, NGOs, and media outlets of perpetuating division and using the Gukurahundi tragedy to further their own agendas. He urged the people to be cautious of those who exploit past suffering and emphasized the importance of unity and understanding moving forward. Mnangagwa issued a stern warning to the detractors he believes are undermining efforts to address the Gukurahundi genocide. He's called upon traditional leaders to help pacify the Matabele land region, which suffered the most during the massacres. So what do you think about Mnangagwa's claims and the government's approach to reconciliation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Zimbabwe's journey towards unity and healing. Thanks for watching.